there, welcome back. Today, I will be talking about peace lilies. Peace lilies are biologically called Spathiphyllum, and are popular office plants known for their attractive foliage and beautiful white flowers. They are also renowned for their ability to purify the air by removing toxins. Here's how peace lilies contribute to cleaning the air. 1. Removal of volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Peace lilies are particularly effective at removing volatile organic compounds such as formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. These compounds can be found in various household products, including paints, cleaning agents, and synthetic materials. Peace lilies absorb these chemicals through tiny pores on their leaves and break them down, thereby improving air quality. 2. Humidity regulation. Peace lilies have large, glossy leaves that contribute to increased humidity in the surrounding environment. By releasing moisture into the air through transpiration, they help combat dryness and reduce airborne allergens like dust and pollen. 3. Oxygen production. Like other plants, peace lilies engage in photosynthesis, a process in which they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. By increasing the oxygen levels, they promote a fresher and healthier indoor atmosphere. 4. Mold suppression. Peace lilies have been found to inhibit the growth of mold spores, reducing the risk of mold-related allergies and respiratory issues. The plants absorb airborne mold particles, break them down, and utilize them as nutrients. It's worth noting that while peace lilies are effective at purifying the air, they are not a cure-all solution. To achieve optimal air quality, it's recommended to combine the presence of peace lilies with good ventilation, regular cleaning, and minimizing the use of chemical-laden products. Overall, peace lilies are not only aesthetically pleasing office plants but also contribute to creating a healthier indoor environment by purifying the air and adding moisture.
Thanks for watching. Hope you can use this content to improve yourself. See you next time in a later video.